Hi, my name's Doctor Marcus Spry, and I run Fresh Dental Care, which is based in Maidstone in the United Kingdom. And what I'd like to do today is to show you how to use an electrical toothbrush properly. Right now the important thing when we're brushing, the purpose of it is to remove plaque bacteria, and the plaque bacteria builds specifically at the join between the pink gum and the white enamel of your tooth. So when we use an electric toothbrush, it's fine cleaning here, but what we really need to do is to clean down at that join. And because this has been carefully designed so that it's safe, you can actually run this so it's 50%, it's half on the gum and half on the tooth. And by very slightly pressing there, you can see that the bristles will actually go in to the gaps, because there's a little tiny groove between the gum and the tooth there, and that will really blast out the plaque germs, and it's the germs that we need to get rid of. Okay, so let's have a look at how much toothpaste to put on. You don't need an awful lot, really. I reckon that you need about that much maximum, okay? And a good tip as well is not to switch the thing on until it is actually in your mouth, because if I switch it on now, it'll throw that toothpaste off. So if we look at this going here, we need to be pretty much there, not too hard, let the brush do the work, but we're basically moving it around so that it's over the edge of the gum here. Alright, and that's really important to get right down there. The manufacturers of these brushes have spent millions of dollars developing it such that it doesn't brush your teeth too aggressively, okay, or the gums too aggressively, and that's specifically where the plaque is, alright, where the germs are. Of course, you then need to come across the top part of your teeth, and you'll also need to go down on, in this case, the tongue side, okay. If you imagine this was an upper tooth, it would be going along here to brush the palate side, okay, and that is the key point really of getting into this area here. Alright, if you miss here and you brush here, you're not just doing half the job, you're doing none of the job. So it's vital to get down against that join of the gum to the tooth, and also to work the bristles as much as possible. You can see that the way that they've been developed, they will naturally fit into the little nooks and crannies between your teeth. So right round the whole of the outside, and then up over, and then right round the inside, and then the tops. So leave the tops till last. And that pretty much does the job. One of the big advantages of an electric toothbrush is the fact that this is quite small, relatively speaking, so that you can get it along here and then you can hook it round the back. This is where people are missing. My patients miss round there. A good little tip here is that your lower jaw, if you move it to the same side that you're brushing, you'll actually open the door a little bit in the upper jaw to be able to get around here. So feel your lower jaw and make it go to the side that you're brushing, and then you'll be able to get around this really difficult molar at the back here. Please like, share and subscribe, and click on one of these boxes for more tips on how to keep your smile for life.